this video, we're going to find the least common multiple, or the LCM. In previous videos, we've gone over fraction vocabulary, changing mixed numbers to improper fractions and improper fractions to mixed numbers, finding the GCF, and simplifying fractions. And I'm going to pin those videos as well as our fraction playlist here. So in this video, we're going to focus more on finding the LCM, and this is going to set us up for finding common denominators and doing operations with fractions. Let's look at example 1. Example 1 is asking us to find the LCM of 3 and 8. So we're going to list all of the multiples of 3, list all of the multiples of 8. The multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to list the multiples of 8. And all we're doing is just multiplying. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40, and so on and so forth. Now, what is the smallest number that 3 and 8 have in common, or the smallest multiple? Well, let's see. The smallest multiple that they have in common is actually 24. So that means that our LCM between 3 and 8 is 24. Let's look at example 2. We have 10 and 20. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on and so forth. We're going to do the same thing for 20. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and so on and so forth. Now, you could have looked at this actually and determined that 20 is the least common multiple of both 10 and 20, but if you needed to list factors, you can. Now, one of the questions I get quite often is, how do you know when to stop? Well, you know when to stop when you have found the LCM. I just kept going so I can list a lot more of the multiples, but at the same time, when you find that smallest common multiple or the least common multiple, then you can stop because you found what it is that you're looking for. Let's look at example 3. In example 3, we have 18 and 27. We're listing the multiples of 18, listing the multiples of 27. All right, so we have 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 4 is 72. 18 times 5 is 90. 18 times 6 is 108. 18 times 7 is 126. And you can keep going, but I think I found it, but I got to make sure. We're going to do the same thing for 27. 27 times 1 is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. 27 times 3 is 81. 27 times 4 is 108. 27 times 5 is 135. 27 times 6 is 162. Now I see two multiples that are the same. I got 108 right here, and I have 54 right here. Now again, we're finding the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 18 and 27 is actually 54, because that is the smallest multiple that they have in common. So I don't want you to think that, oh, why isn't it 108? Well, because 108 is larger than 54, so we're looking for the smallest multiple that they have in common, which is 54. Let's look at example 4. We have 36 and 45. So we're listing all of the multiples for 36, listing the multiples for 45. For 36, we got 36 times 1 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. 36 times 3 is 108. 36 times 4 is 144. 36 times 5 is 180. 36 times 6 is 216. 36 times 7 is 252, and so on and so forth. We're going to do the same thing for 45. We have 45 times 1 is 45. 45 times 2 is 90. 45 times 3 is 135. 45 times 4 is 180. 45 times 5 is 225. And 45 times 6 is 270. And you can keep going if you would like, but I have found the LCM, and that LCM is 180. We see that the least common multiple between 36 and 45 is 180. So that is your LCM. Now I want you to try one. You're going to find the LCM between 32 and 80. So I want you to pause the video, work through this problem. Once you have your answer, come back to the video and play it and see if your answer is correct. So go ahead and pause the video. Awesome. Now, welcome back. We have the LCM of 32 and 80. We're going to find what are the multiples of 32. So I have 32 times 1 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. 32 times 3 is going to be 96. 32 times 4 is 128. 32 times 5 is 160. 32 times 6 is 192. 32 times 7 is 224. Now I can keep going, but I think I found what my LCM is. But let's do the same thing for 80. 80 times 1 is 80. 80 times 2 is 160. 80 times 3 is 240. 80 times 4 is 320. So I'm going to pause right there because I have found what my least common multiple is. And in this case, I see that the least multiple that 32 and 80 have in common is 160. Therefore, my LCM is 160. So tell me how you did. Go ahead and put that in the comments. And if you have any suggestions on any videos upcoming, please make sure you put that in the comments as well. Until next time, you guys have a great day.